Once you find your dream home, we need to make sure you actually get to move into it. The 10 must not once you're under contract on your home. Oh my goodness, over the years, I've seen so many buyers make these crucial mistakes after they've gone into contract with their dream home. Hello, I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Mabon Real Estate. Once you get into contract, please, whatever you do, don't do any of the following. Number 1, don't change jobs, become self-employed, or quit your job. Number 2, don't buy a new car, van, or truck, or you may end up living in it. Number 3, don't use any charge cards or let your accounts fall behind. Number 4, don't spend any money that you have set aside for closing. Number 5, don't omit any debt or liabilities from your loan application. Number 6, don't buy any furniture even if they let you know that the payment will be deferred till after closing. Number 7, don't allow any additional inquiries on your credit except for insurance purposes. And number 8, don't make any large deposits or take out any large sums of money without checking with your lender or your agent. Number 9, don't change bank accounts. Number 10, don't co-sign for a loan for anyone no matter what it might be, and be sure to tell your lender if you're already a co-signer for anyone. That debt will go against you as well. Well, there you have it. I hope this helps. I want to make sure that you understand how to keep your home and actually close on it once we find it. Give me a call and I'll be sure to give you more information about how to stay safe and ensure you close on the home once you've gotten your offer accepted. I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Mabon Real Estate, and I'm moving you in the right direction.